Want to skyrocket your conversions? Pop-ups are one of the most effective tools to grab attention, grow your list, promote your offers, and reduce cart abandonment. That's why Pop-up Kit for WordPress is awesome. Select from a variety of sleek templates or slide-ins, full screen models, video pop-ups, floating bars, all designed to engage your audience. Then set smart triggers like exit intent, scroll based, after inactivity, or even a click. Plus, segment pop ups by location, pages, devices, and schedules. Collect emails, integrate with MailChimp or Zapier, and track conversions and referral sources right from the analytics panel. In under a few minutes, you can launch powerful campaigns to capture leads, boost sales, and delight visitors without touching a single line of code. Ready to see this in action? Keep watching this plugin review video. And if you are watching this intro video on social media, then check the video description or comments for the full video tutorial link. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss amazing plugin review videos like these. So let's dive in. Alright, let's get started. Now I'll quickly show you how you can install and use PopupKit or Popup Builder. We'll start with the free version. As you can see, it is available on WordPress repository with 10,000 plus active installs and 5-star rating. It is a pretty amazing plugin that you can use to build pop-ups to capture leads and upsell your products by giving some offers and more. So let's jump right into it. I have our demo website. It's pretty basic demo of an e-commerce website. And now let's get back to the WordPress dashboard, and to install PopupKit from WordPress repository, go to plugins and click add plugin. And here you can type for PopupKit. Okay, so if you search for PopupKit, it will pop up right at the beginning. So let's just install it. They also have other plugins like Email Kit, Email Customizer for WooCommerce, and WP if you want to check them out. Okay, the plugin is installed. Let me activate it. Okay, the plugin has been activated and now you can access it under PopupKit tab. At the very beginning, you will see this welcome screen where you can enter your email if you want to receive the newsletters. Now in the next screen, you can install more plugins that they offer. If you want them, I'll just uncheck them all because I'm currently just going to review the PopupKit builder. Okay, now let's get back to the dashboard, and the very first screen or tab you see over here is your campaigns. You can create multiple campaigns over here. You can click on add new campaign to manually create a new campaign using their blocks. With an empty canvas, you can click over here and you can browse their blocks and insert them as you like. But to quickly start a block a pop-up, I would recommend choosing from a template. Just click on choose from template and you will see a lot of amazing free and premium templates. You can filter out over here. Just select the free and you will see only the free templates. Okay, now there are further options to filter these templates, like if you want pop-ups, or you want floating bars, or you want full screen pop-ups, slide in, gamified. This basically is available in the pro version, I believe. Let me switch to pro. Yes, it's available in the pro version. Okay, so now in the free, I'll just quickly select a template. You can preview it before you actually use it. You can see it. Okay, I'll just use the template and just give it a title. Click import. Okay, here is your pop-up. You can further customize it using their blocks. Click on plus and you can add a button or anything that you would like to add to this pop-up. But I think that's good for now, and just click save. You can customize certain options like turn on captions. You can link it with a custom URL, like if you have created a sales page on your WooCommerce website, you can just add it over here, so the user will be redirected to that page once the user clicks. Okay, you can adjust the content over here, then you can adjust the style like width, max width, height, and other amazing options available in the block settings. And when you want to adjust the pop-up settings, you can click on the select parent block pop-up builder. Then you will see the customization options or settings for this particular pop-up, like the display options, campaign type, what it is, pop-up, floating bar, slide in. You can change the campaign type anytime for any pop-up from here. And then you can choose the event on page load, and other events are only available in the pro version on page load. And you can define after how many seconds of delay this pop-up appears. I'll say let's just say 5 seconds. Then you can choose in the animation. There are some free animations and most of them are available in the pro version. And then you can select the exit animation. You can customize further behavior or animation durations. You can choose to show or hide the close button, prevent background scroll. You can turn this off. And then there are further conditions that where you want to include this pop-up. I'll add include and entire site or on a singular page. I'll just show this pop-up on the front page. And then you can add more conditions if you like. Then you can also turn on or off the device visibility, like desktop, tablet, mobile, if you want to show this pop-up only on the desktop, because mobile devices are pretty small and pop-ups usually irritates the users and they tend to leave your website. So I recommend using these pop-ups on desktop, but there are certain use cases where you need that pop-up on mobile as well, so you can turn on as per your requirement. Then you can enable scheduling if you have the pro version, and then you can set the frequency to everyone and return new there are other options are locked to the pro version. And then you can adjust the display frequency. Only one option is available, it's once a day. And then you can unlock all of these other options by upgrading to the pro version. And this version is or this option is available in the free version as well, and it's pretty amazing. Like if a user have already converted or interacted with the pop-up, it will not display the pop-up to the user again. Then you can target geolocations. If you have a pro version, you can enable IP blocking. You can block IP ranges to from accessing these pop-ups. And then there is the style, like the container style. You can adjust the width as per your requirement, and then you can adjust the height. It usually is set to fit to content, or you can choose to fit to screen, but I think fit to content is better. Fit to screen is usually works better with full screen pop-ups. And then you can adjust the alignment of the container, and then you can adjust the background color. This background color applies to this actual container. Let me revert the width back. Okay, and then you can adjust the container overlay, and then you can adjust the pop-up background color. You can set it to black or any other color of your choice. You can also set a transparent background. Okay, I think white is fine. Then you can adjust the close button. You can change its sizing. You can choose to show this inside the pop-up container or outside the pop-up container. And if you are moving it outside, you should change the color so it actually can be seen over here. Okay, now there are other settings. You can change the background color of the close button and so on. And then you can unlock some more advanced block features by upgrading to the pro version. And now finally you need to activate this campaign and click save, so this pop-up can be displayed on the website. So let me reload this one, and we'll wait for 5 seconds for the pop-up to show. Okay, here you can see the pop-up is displayed, and in the free version it also displays built with PopupKit. Okay, so now pop-up is closed. Okay, now you can create more campaigns of your choice. Just head over to the campaigns tab, click on choose template, and now you can create floating bars, full screen pop-ups, slide-ins, gamified or inline. That's an upcoming feature or template type. Or you can now further explore their documentation, their official documentation, to learn more about this plugin. Let me quickly give you an overview of the other tabs. In the subscribers tab, you will find the people who have subscribed through a form that is displayed in a pop-up. And let me just create okay, we have controls for this form fields. You can add more field like name, show label, or okay, you can adjust the style. I just want to quickly test this feature, and I select the pop-up container, and on page load we showed this one after 6 seconds. I believe we have interacted with the other pop-up, so I don't think it will be displayed. Let's just reload this page and test this subscriber pop-up. Okay, I'll give in my email. Okay, let's just get back to the WordPress dashboard, and I'll visit the subscribers and you can see the value has been recorded, but to see the email you need to upgrade to the pro version. If you want to use their built-in subscriber option, you need to upgrade to their pro version, or you can use any other form builder of your choice in the pop-ups and manage your subscribers list elsewhere. Okay, now in the analytics tab, you have a great looking dashboard where you can view most of the stats for free and others are locked. Okay, now here are the breakdown. You can see the total views and you can see the count of conversions. You can see the conversion rate and etc. You can filter them by campaign types. And then you can also integrate it with other third-party services like MailChimp. It now supports Fluent CRM, which I personally use for managing my personal mailing list to send emails or manage subscribers. You can also integrate it with Active Campaigns, Zapier, UpSupport, and Fably, MailPoint, MailerLite, and these are upcoming. Now let me quickly install the Pro version and activate the license key to show you what you get after upgrading to the Pro version. And before that, let's just quickly take a look at the settings. You can turn on the unfiltered uploads to enable the SVG or JSON files, or you can turn on all of these options. You can opt in to remove all your data when the PopupKit plugin is uninstalled. And in the advanced, you can select the data storage duration for analytics. Okay, these are pretty basic settings. Now let me quickly install the PopupKit Pro. Okay, let me activate the license for PopupKit Pro. You can activate the license by navigating to the license tab, which appears after you install the PopupKit Pro. Okay, my license has been activated and now I can access all of the premium features that PopupKit offers. And for you, if you want to upgrade to the pro version, they currently have a pretty amazing steal deal, like 70% off for first 500 customers. You can claim it right away. The link is available in the video description. You can see for 5 websites license they are offering the price of $31, and 10 websites license is available in $79, and agency license for unlimited websites is available just for $119. And they also have lifetime deals, like only $60 you can avail the PopupKit Pro for 5 websites for lifetime. And then there is a professional version in just $120. You can avail the lifetime deal for 10 websites, and for agency license in just $180 you can use this amazing pop-up builder on unlimited websites. So if you want to upgrade to their pro version, just quickly grab the link from the video description and don't miss their LTDs, because once the LTD times are over and plugin becomes popular, then you keep wondering why I haven't purchased that when the LTD was available. So if you have purchased and installed the pro version, then you can access the subscribers. You can see you should include a name field as well, so you can have the name of the subscriber here as well. And then you can access all of the analytics like by browsers, countries, top campaigns, URLs. And then you can also now integrate these other services like MailChimp, Fluent CRM, Active Campaign, and for the templates you now have all of the templates available to you. That includes these gamification pop-ups like you see on many stores, especially websites like Temu or AliExpress, where you see certain wheels, you just spin them and then they get some discount and etc. This actually helps you increase the conversion rates on your website, and it's pretty amazing for e-commerce websites, and you should definitely use them.
I'll show you how to
More
use them later
templates,
on
there are
in this
pretty
video. And
amazing
then there
templates
are
available if you do decide to upgrade to the pro version, and then you can see other templates, types, styles, and a lot more. Then for the settings, it usually is the same. These are the only settings available. Now let me get back to the campaign and let's just click on the subscribe template again. You can just quickly turn on or off the campaigns from here as well, or you can turn on or off from here. Okay, now you can integrate this form with other third-party services. Like if you don't want to maintain this subscriber in your list and you want to send them emails and newsletters or so on, you can easily connect these forms with the MailChimp, Fluent CRM or ActiveCampaign, and then you will see all of the premium options available to you, like all of these animations, all of these display or device visibility. These were available in the free version as well. You can enable the scheduling if you want to display these pop-ups on a certain date or time. You can now manage the frequency or display frequency or display to visitors, returning, new, and so on. Geo-targeting and many more options are now unlocked for you to use. And finally, you can hide the PopupKit badge from here. And before wrapping up, I think I should give you a quick overview of the gamification pop-ups that you can use on your e-commerce stores to boost your sales or conversions. Let me create a new campaign and I'll choose template. And this time I'll select gamified, and let's select a cool looking wheel. I think I like this one. I call this wheel campaign. Okay, great. We have a pop-up, and now let's quickly see how you can customize. Just click on the wheel. You will see all of the options over here, like wheel settings. If you want to enable the sound effect, if you want to enable the pointer animation, show outer dot, number of times wheel should spin. I'll set this to 5, and you can set the duration. You can manage the section colors over here, and then to actually manage the contents inside this wheel, you can click on this manage wheel sections and a nice pop-up will appear. Here you can set the labels for each section, and you can set the coupon code, the actual coupon code that will be displayed to the user for copy. And you can also set prevent winning over here. If you don't want the 25% off coupon to actually be given to the users, you can click on this prevent winning. Otherwise, all of meaning chances will be divided equally. You can see 10%, 10%, 10%. If you turn off this section as well, you can see all of the winning chances will be automatically adjusted. You can also delete the options, and or you can also add further sections. I think these are fine, and make sure you have created these coupons in WooCommerce coupons, then or any other coupon or shopping cart that you are using. This text will basically be displayed to the users on the winning screen. Okay, let's close this one, and you can also adjust the background style from here, like classic or gradient. I'll leave it to default. Okay, now the wheel is set up. You can also customize this email input, and to manage the winning screen, you can switch between these two options. To manage the wheel, you can click on the wheel, and to manage the result screen, you can just click on the result, and you can see everything is pretty neatly designed over here. And you can you just need to put this code over here. This will actually display the winning coupon. And to manage the pop-up behavior, you can simply click on this blank area, or you can select the parent container like the pop-up builder, and then you can also adjust its campaign type, like slide in, full screen, and let's use this one as slide in. No, slide in doesn't look good. I'll use the pop-up. Okay, now I'll activate this one and hit save, and you can further explore the settings of the wheel or the result section. You can adjust the styling over here. You can adjust the content over here, like flipper icon. You can choose between an icon or image, the inner wheel icon. Let's save this one. Okay, let's just try this one in a new screen. Great, we have won free shipping and the coupon is displayed. User can copy the coupon code and then use on cart or checkout pages. This way, you can increase conversions or chances of getting more sales from the visitors by offering them these exciting wheels that they can spin to get some discount. And you can always limit the choices or the value of discount that you are going to offer. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I believe Popup Kit will help you increase conversions or leads or sales on your websites. So that's it for now, and if you have found this video helpful, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss amazing plugin review videos like these. See you in the next one.